Is a person's driver's license suspended immediately for a DUI? Long answer, yes. Short answer, maybe. So when a person's arrested for a DUI, at the initial hearing, a judge is supposed to review the probable cause affidavit, the police report, and if the police report says the person's blood or breath was 0.08 or higher, then the judge is supposed to tell the BMV to suspend the driver's license. That's a statute. Now, many judges, most judges, if the blood work is still pending because they took blood out the arm and it was not a refusal, then most judges will not suspend at the initial hearing. They'll wait for those results to come back. There are numerous judges that say, nope, I don't got to wait for the blood. I can suspend the license simply upon arrest. Now, those type judges are in the minority, but there are still enough of them where it creates a lot of work for me. And that's okay. I don't mind working. But there are some things that can be done to try to keep a person driving. Now, keeping driving is not automatic, and it's completely 100% up to the judge that is going to hear the DUI charge. But there's something called specialized driving privileges. Some judges have no problem with specialized driving privileges and letting someone charged with a DUI go to and from work. Some judges have no problem with STP so long as there was not an accident and there are no prior DUIs. Some judges will say, hey, as long as it's not a felony, you can keep driving to and from work. Some judges say, no, you're not going to drive. And it creates chaos for our clients. That last category is some of the harshest stuff we have to deal with. So basically, the judges that will not allow a person to drive when they've been charged, not guilty or anything, just when they charge, those create absolute chaos for our clients, because being charged with a crime doesn't mean life stops. You still got to do things. You still got a family to feed. You still got a job to go to. You still got bills to pay. So one of the big priorities for my law firm is to get people back on the road as soon as possible. And that can be made easier if we get things done sooner rather than later. So my clients, by the first court date, we've already done some things to make it easier for judge and prosecutor to agree to let our clients drive to and from work. The worst thing a person can do is simply show up to court. Hey, judge, I want to keep driving. I know I got charged, but I got things to do. That doesn't work as well as you would think. Not at all, actually. So please get an attorney involved. If your driver's license is important, you've been charged with a DUI, get an attorney involved as soon as possible. It will pay off in spades. If you have any questions about drunk driving charges, driver's license, give us a call. We'll talk about that stuff all day. In fact, that's a passion of mine. Our number is 317-632-3642. Remember, always plead the fifth.